So welcome to all of you. Today in this video I'll be showing you how we can change Mac ID in our Linux machine. So let's start terminal. So first we need to locate our device. So I have config. In this machine I'll be changing Mac of ETH0, but if you are using Wi-Fi it should be 000, 001 or something like that. So before doing anything we need to have root access to our system. So first go to super user. So before changing Mac we need to disable this device, and the code is ifconfig space the device ID, which is in this case ETH0 space down. So what it does, it actually disables your device. So now you can see the notification, and also in ifconfig see the ETH0 is not available. So now we are all ready to change Mac. As you can see, there are various options present in Mac changer command, but we will be only restricting ourselves to random Mac generator, but you can try all on your own. So command is Mac changer space -r space device ID, which is ETH0, and enter. As you can see, my current Mac and the new Mac are different, and we have successfully changed our Mac address. Well, you can also use your custom Mac address. For that, what you have to write is Mac changer space -m space your custom Mac, enter. Sorry, I didn't specify ETH0, so let's rewrite Mac space -m space your custom Mac space ETH0. I think the Mac which I have added is not a valid Mac address, but I think you have got the idea.